Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. So now we have got a theorem to check whether x star is sink or source. So theorem says that suppose x star is an equilibrium solution or equilibrium point may be point of dx over dt to be f of x, and f of x is of C1 class. In other words, f of x is continuous and its derivative exists and the derivative is also continuous. Then we have got something interesting. Then it says that if f of x star is greater than 0, then x star is a source, and if f of x star is less than 0, then x star is a sink. Source means unstable directly. Sink means definitely stable, but for asymptotic stability we need to know whether the solution is also converging or not. So the third thing is going to be, if f of x star is 0, then we can't conclude anything. In other words, we need more information. So this is the theorem that we will not prove right now, but we can use it for certain examples to know about their equilibrium points or equilibrium solutions. Consider for example dx over dt to be x minus x cube. We are interested in its equilibrium points, as well as we want to know the nature of these equilibrium points. So in this case, my f of x is going to be x minus x cube. For equilibrium solution or equilibrium points, we will set f of x to be 0, which will give me x minus x cube to be 0. That will give me 1 minus x squared to be 0, which is going to give me either x0 or 1 minus x squared to be 0, which will give me x0 or x equal to plus minus 1. So we have three equilibrium solutions: x star 1 to be 0, x star 2 to be minus 1, and let's say x star 3 to be 1. We want to see the nature of these three equilibrium solutions, whether they are source or sink. So let's talk about the first one, that is x star to be 0. Remember, our f of x is equal to x minus x cube. This function is continuous. Its derivative is going to be continuous because it's polynomial, and so we can apply the previous theorem. So we can calculate its derivative, which is going to be 1 minus 3x square. Once you put 0 or x star of 1, it's going to be 0 square, which is 1, which is positive. This gives me that x1 star is a source or unstable equilibrium cell point. We have another one that is x2 star, and that is -1. So f prime minus 1 is 1 minus 3 times minus 1 square, which is minus 2, that is less than 0. This means x2 star is sinc, or you can say that it's equilibrium. Whether it's asymptotic or not, we are not discussing that right now. X3 star was equal to 1, and f prime of 1 is again going to be minus 2, which is less than 0. So this shows that x3 star is also sinc or stable equilibrium solution. So this is showing that the differential equation that we have dx over dt to be equal to x minus x cube has three equilibrium solutions. What are those? 0, -1 and 1. This one is unstable and these two are stable, because the nearby solutions are the trajectories, are the solutions that initiate nearby. -1 and 1 will remain nearby -1 and 1. Let's meet in the next video.